As another challenge for me has been getting creative with vegetables. It says, I love your sweet and spicy carrots recipe, especially the convenience of dumping everything into the bag to cook, and then you just put it straight on the plate and you don't have to do anything else with it. So there are a lot of vegetable recipes you can do that with, as long as you don't mind them being a little watery. You know, one of the benefits of cooking vegetables in a pan is that as the water is released from the vegetables, it evaporates, and whatever you have in the pan kind of turns into more of a glaze or a sauce. And with the sous vide, you don't have that as much. And again, this is my 80% good when I'm cooking for a weeknight meal. I don't really want to spend all this extra time and make extra dirty pots. I'll throw some vegetables in with a little bit of olive oil or some butter and a few herbs and spices, cook them through till they're tender, put it on the plate, and it's really flavorful, really good, and the vegetables are perfectly cooked. It's a good way to kind of maximize that. I honestly don't cook a lot of vegetables sous vide. It's one of those things that a lot of people love, and I think is fine, and they always turns out really well, but I like the flavors of roasting them or searing or grilling them, that it adds that little bit of char, a little bit of more sweetness and caramelization that you don't get in sous vide. I don't do a lot of steamed vegetables either, and I think if you steam a lot of vegetables, then sous videing them would have a lot of the same texture and flavor. So I think it'd be a good substitute for those, but I almost always roast my vegetables or grill them. And so I don't do that much sous vide, but when I do and I just want to eat it at once, just put in some olive oil, some sort of seasonings. You can use garlic with vegetables because you're cooking them above 130, so the garlic will start to be cooked as well. And you can have a meal that you can just pull out right then.